Hello everyone, welcome to Geekermag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix modem stopped working after installing Windows 11 KB5074109 update. If you think it's a bug that comes with this update, then I would like to tell you that it's not a bug. As it's clearly mentioned in the official release notes, this update removes the following modem drivers and modem hardware dependent on these specific drivers will no longer work in Windows. So how to fix it? Well, only thing you can do is uninstall the same update. Here is how you can do that. Click on the start button and select settings. In the settings, switch to Windows Update. On the right side, locate update history. Before moving further, make sure to check if the update is installed already. You can see the same update is installed on my PC. Now scroll down to bottom. Under related settings, click on uninstall updates. Locate the same update, that is KB5074109. Click on the uninstall button and in this dialog, click uninstall button again. Now process will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Once done, you will be asked to restart your computer. It's a mandatory step, so do it. And after doing that, the issue should be resolved. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.